Guys, biglang nag-check engine. Gumamit ako ng portable tire pressure. Ayun, nag-check engine na. Yo guys, yan ang check engine. Kahit na start yung makina, hindi talaga nawala yung check engine light. So ang gagawin ko dito guys ay subukan yung i-scan sa Torque Pro apps. Ayan, open the apps. So ayan guys, naka-connect yung OBD na Bluetooth. Ayan, connected na siya.
Connected to OBD.
Yun, connected na ang ECU. Click yung fault code, scan, reading. Ayun, may nakita agad. Dalawang
Engine is at operating
DTC,
temperature.
powertrain, vehicle speed sensor. Ayun guys, 100%. So ang active ay vehicle speed sensor. Ayan. Subukan ulit i-refresh. Kung yun pa rin, ayun, meron yun pa rin, vehicle speed sensor. Scanning. So yun talaga, powertrain. So na clear fault codes. Okay. Yan.
Disconnected from
Clear
OBD.
fault codes completed. Yun, nawala na. I-refresh nyo lang ulit.
Connected to
para
OBD.
malaman kung talagang na-delete na. So wala na talaga. Effective. So back, ayan, fault codes ulit. Requesting, reading fault code, scanning. So yun, wala na yung vehicle speed sensor. So check na lang ulit yung sa dashboard ng motor kung may check engine light. Wala na. Ayan, kaanda na yung makina. I-close ko na yung apps. Ayun, nawala na ang check engine light. Ayun, success. Salamat sa panonood guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Job Cycle.